Hi, this will be a tribute to the Dhoni and fans, and it is a part 2 video. And now we will be discussing about 6 moments of Dhoni's life in the life. And welcome to our channel, Independence CG. Moment is 2007. The World Cup campaign is going on. The fifth India is in the 50 over in exit, so that Dhoni's photo is fired, and in fact the Dhoni's Instagram post has contained this photo. Yes, the India India people are firing this uh, Dhoni's photo and throwing the stones, and extremely haters are there. We all face any haters that maybe trigger us. If you, the one reason is if you haters is formed because they have not having any reasons. They only find someone if you saying that if you are having it done in something, so that some will be saying that I define these mistakes, and always finding the mistakes only. This separates the Dhoni's life into the separates life into two parts. This incident is before and after. Before, they have many haters. I haters is there, but 2007 the haters is reduced. The it is not mentioned by me. The first post article is mentioning is from this uh, from this moment we will be knowledge of ignore haters. The second moment is 2007 the World Cup is announced, that announced and going on, so that Dhoni was a captain in the 2007. Different, the way of captain is very different in the new to the our Indians, because he have a long hair, different type of cricketer there. It is a different type of cricketer. Uh, we have faced Sachin, Dravid, like that. The way of looking is different in the Dhoni's incident, and Rohit Sharma is the incident is the Rohit Sharma uh, put a wide, so that Dhoni's give him a ball and put unmotivated and unexpected movement, and the Srikanth catches this ball, and who criticize him. It is a way of revenge in the Dhoni's way. The Dhoni's and India won the World Cup, the first World Cup. It is history. Moment is shut up critics. The way critics is different from the haters. The haters will be same, but critics we want to face and solve the face. There is a positive note in the critics. The Dhoni faced these critics. In 2016, the Australian player reporter asked reporter saying that you are can continue playing after this tournament. The Dhoni come saying that come here, have a fun. And Dhoni saying that you want to be me to retire. Reporter say that no. The Dhoni said that I hoping it is Indian media kai in because I cannot say whether a son who are can be play the India Shafian keeper and asked a question that he, whether you think I am unfit? Reporter say no. The Dhoni said running is sufficient. Reporter say is faster. Dhoni saying that I can survey in 2019 World Cup. Reporter say yes. This is funniest and the these are the opinions from this some public peoples. He shut up critics. The fourth thing is do not disturb your job. Do not disturb your job incident. That is India Bangladesh is in the match in the critical situation. The Dhoni is running in singles, and one bowler is in between and standing in between. The purpose is not to get a run. At many times is complained, but it is a duck life movement. Dhoni hits the bowler and disturbs the bowler is thrown away from this Dhoni's place and do not disturb in your work. It leads to collusion. The fifth thing is the 2015 the World Cup is started. At the time his wife is pregnant and but the Dhoni is committed to the job that is cricket. He did not took up a phone to match because it is disturb him, so that he know that he baby going to born, but he do not having this disturbance in cricket. And at the time of playing, his wife is called to the trainer and convey this message to Dhoni, and but he not took because he not took a phone to the matches, and but we not know how he reacted to this message. Dhoni's journalist has asked about this. The Dhoni said answered that it is a national duty. In the cricket is national duty. It is a inspiring movement. Respect to commitment. The last thing, the movement is the Rajasthan and CSK is going match. The umpire give no ball, but another umpire is not giving. Jadeda is in a grease. The Dhoni is in a out of ground. His team is in the critical and wrong thing is going on. He was identified and in the outlook it is wrong. So that I have not seen this thing. That is captain is walking in the ground and all have seen this Dhoni's walking and it is a way of respect your team and get justice to a team. These are the six moments in cricketer Dhoni. You want to mention any in something moment, you can also mention. And thank you for watching.